love, my soulmate, my Luis. How could I have possibly known all those years ago at Best Buy that I would be standing across from you today, getting ready to call you my husband?
There is no one else in the universe I would ever want by my side through it all. Thank you, my love, for loving me so completely and for making it so effortless to love you in return.
Sabrina, do you commit to a life together in matrimony with Luis?
I do.
Luis, do you commit to a life in matrimony with Sabrina?
I do.